Hi everybody, my name is Ken. I'm from Quality Sewing and Vacuum. You know, a lot of us have to be kind of stuck at home right now and not a lot to do. So why don't we clean our house? It's a great time to do our spring cleaning and get it done. So today we wanted to talk to you about Miele vacuum cleaners, and I'm going to showcase our Miele HomeCare C3 Plus. This is the premium canister vacuum that we carry in our store. That is a great vacuum for doing bare floor cleaning, carpets, and upholstery type cleaning. I'm going to demonstrate to you how this vacuum works. First of all, it's got a quick release here. We've actually got all of our controls into the handle. So we can turn the vacuum on and control the vacuum and the variable speed control on here, all at the fingertip. So I'll turn this on. I've got this down here. I've got Hepa, which is close to dog and cat hair if you have any pets in the house. And if you have kids that are home from school right now making messes, this vacuum is excellent to go around and clean up after them. I've got a telescoping wand so I can adjust this so I can actually stand properly when I'm vacuuming and I'm not bent over and creating issues with my back. So you'll see, you take this right over, picks up pet hair, Rice Krispie treats, no worries, okay? I can, again, shut the vacuum off right here. By pushing the button here, I've got complete access to the hose now, and I'm able to come over to the machine. I've got my tools stored right on board. Let's say I want to clean up the sofa if the cat was laying on it or somebody made a mess. I've got a great upholstery tool that will fit right on the hose. Also, it comes with a dusting tool, and it comes with a crevice tool for getting into the tight corners and edges. One of the important values for this vacuum cleaner is its filtration capabilities. This vacuum will actually filter down to 99.95 dust retention. So if you have dust or allergies, or you really want to clean the house, this is a fantastic vacuum for doing so. They have a high filtration cloth bag in here. This holds about 5.5 mayonnaise jars full of dirt. It actually will pack in a lot of animal hair. You also have a sealed Hepa filtration filter on this machine. This filter will last about 54 hours, so typically that's going to last you for approximately about a year or so for your cleaning. You have a retractable cord, so you pull the cord out when you're done. Real simple, just come right over to the button here. Your cord goes right in the machine, all put away. The height adjustment on the power head here is fantastic. So you can see there's numbers between 1 through 5. I can raise this up so I can do a variation of different types of carpet you might have in a house, from a real thick plush carpet down to maybe a Berber carpet that might be in the family room. You can also take this head and run it straight from the carpet right onto bare floor cleaning. It does a really nice job for that. On the HomeCare C3s, they actually have some bonus tools that they include with this machine. So the bonus tools is these two guys right here. This is a flexible crevice tool. It is amazing to get into those hard to reach areas, like maybe between the wall and the refrigerator, or if you want to take out the dryer vent and poke that down in there and clean out all the lint that's stuck in the dryer, this is a great tool to do so. And because it's flexible, you can take it and poke it between the seat cushions of the car or on the couch and get into the areas that you can't even see with this tool here. The other tool, one of my favorites that come with this vacuum, is what they call the universal dusting tool. So a lot of us have issues with dust and allergies, and really the best way to clean a house is with a vacuum cleaner, because you can actually pull all of the dust and debris and put it right into the bag and filter the air with the HEPA filtration instead of using a cloth that can kind of spread it around the house. This dusting brush is amazing. First of all, nice long bristles. So that's great for going into mini blinds, pleated lampshades, things of that nature. You'll also notice that it swivels at all different angles. So it's fantastic to reach up and do the top of ceiling fans, or I can turn this and do crown moldings across the ceiling. Maybe downstairs or in the main living area, I have a lot of hardwood floors with the baseboards going across. This tool will go right across your baseboards and do all the dusting and cleaning for you, so you don't have to bend down. You can actually take that and put it right on here, and you can walk right across and do all that kind of cleaning. It's really a very, very easy vacuum cleaner to clean and do the whole house with. The other tool that comes with this machine, I like to call the utility floor tool. So this vacuum here, or this tool here, excuse me, is a combo tool. You can push this button, you've got brushes will come out for doing hard surfaces, and then by popping this brush button back in, the brushes will go in. This is a very nice tool for doing your delicate rugs. Maybe you have an investment rug that you don't want to have any kind of rotating brush on, or maybe you want to vacuum underneath beds or furniture that you can't get your vacuum under normally. This is a very low profile tool to vacuum in those areas. So this unit will come with the 3 tools I talked to you about on the inside of the machine. It comes with your combo tool, your universal dusting crevice tool, and your universal dusting tool. So we have some great deals going on our Miele right now. Give us a call. We can actually ship them to you directly to your house, or we have some great curbside service going on at our stores. You can pull up, we'll bring it out to your car for you. Thanks again, and enjoy your day.